Hey everyone, welcome to another video here from thewindowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you a new tool we're carrying. It's called the Toolie on a Belt. It's about the most simple tool holders you could possibly imagine for your tool belt. It's very versatile. You can hold things like scrapers, squeegees, maybe a detailing squeegee, gutter cleaning spoons, you name it. Not only that, you can put multiple ones on your belt. So for instance, maybe we want to carry our scraper down to the back, but we want to carry a detailing squeegee there. No problem, we just grab another tooling on a belt. Just basically slips right on. Put that through. Now we've got our detailing squeegee there. So like I say, the tooling on the belt, very simple, very affordable. Go check it out, thewindowcleaningstore.com. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.